Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. This is another episode on the Caballero TV. And if you are new to our channel, please show some love, like our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So hit that button and give us some loving. Today I'll be showing you guys how to optimize your YouTube videos and your YouTube channel so that you can rank higher in the search results. We're going to use TubeBuddy. This is your best friend on the road to YouTube success. What is TubeBuddy? Using the definition on their website, TubeBuddy is a free browser extension and a mobile app that integrates directly into YouTube to help you run your channel with ease. Inside TubeBuddy, we're looking at tools like the advanced keyword research. This tool will help you to find the higher performing searchable video topics and then craft the perfect title and tags so that your videos will have a greater chance in coming up at the top highest in the search results. You also find tools that will help you to edit and cut your time into half so that you can publish your videos and edit them even quicker. You have tools within TubeBuddy that will help you to create thumbnails within YouTube. So let's go and check out the advanced keyword research and see how powerful this tool really is. Before we start or go any further, like our videos and subscribe to our channel. So I'm going to show you guys how powerful the advanced keyword research really is. I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. These are a few videos that I have already uploaded, but you can use the advanced keyword research prior to uploading your video. So you can use it for the videos that you've already uploaded and you want to make sure they get a better chance and rank high in the search results. So I'm going to show you how I used it on some of my videos. This is the title of my video. It's called Legit Way to Make Passive Income on YouTube Using Fully Automated YouTube Channel Part 2. I already have TubeBuddy installed as an extension on my browser. So I'll just go directly to the YouTube icon, the TubeBuddy icon and click on it. And then I'll scroll all the way down to Keyword Explorer. That will open a catalog which allows me to enter the keyword I want to use. Now my video is about making passive income using fully automated YouTube channels. Now I could have come up with any name like passive income using automated chat YouTube channel, but without knowing how powerful that keyword is, I might not get good results at the end of the day. But with TubeBuddy, I can weight the keyword and see how well or how badly it's going to perform. The specific keyword that I just used right now is going to perform fair. Now this score above is specific to my channel, the content that I have. The unweighted result shows just about how many people have been using that phrase to search for information on YouTube. And again, it's not such a good result. But using the Keyword Explorer, which is also known as the Advanced Keyword Research, I can create a better title for my video that will promise me greater results. So I just pasted in the title that I'm currently using, and this is how much it performed. Unweighted results, it rated excellent. This keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. And as a weighted keyword, specifically to my channel, it also performs 91 out of 100, which is also excellent. So that means my video has a greater chance to rank higher in the search results because I'm not using keywords that are very highly competitive that just about everyone else is using. It allows me to stay unique, but at the same time, it allows my video and my uniqueness to appear and reach out to people that are looking for specifically that kind of information or something within that field. So this itself just allows my video to rank high in the search results because of such a good SEO. So basically, that's how it works. You use the advanced keyword research, and it will help you to come up with the best title and the best tags for your video so that you can get the best results and your videos won't just go to waste on YouTube. It sucks to have uploaded your videos and to wait months and years just to find out that only, I don't know, 10 or 20 people viewed your video. But with this keyword research tool, you can get better results within hours actually. Besides your video title, the keyword research can help you come up with even more powerful tags for your video. And they even come with score, right? So they show you which ones perform better and which ones will basically just be hopeless because they're not going to give you any traction. They're not going to give you any views or visits to your channel because you're using highly competitive tags that everyone else is using and videos that on the top chart are already using. So you're just going to be a small fish in a big ocean with some bigger fish. But with this tool, you can get suggestions for tags that will give you greater results according to the score. Take this tag here, for example. It's scored 77. That's a good score out of 100. So that means if I use this tag or this tag and that tag and that tag and that tag, I'll increase my chances for my video to rank even higher. So this is the tool that you want to use right now if you want to optimize your videos and your YouTube channel. So you can rank higher on the search results and start earning even greater with YouTube. Because if your videos are not coming up on the search engine, then you're not gonna make much money on YouTube, or basically you're not gonna make any money on YouTube because nobody's gonna be viewing your content. You'll just be getting tired of uploading, tired of working your ass off, and then at the end of the day, nobody views your work, or just little people view your work. That's gonna be, painful for you. But if you want to use TubeBuddy, it's gonna grow your chance to grow your YouTube videos and your YouTube channel and gain viewers and gain some side income from YouTube. This is a very powerful tool. I love it. I like it. It works really good. If you want to use it, the link is in the description box below. Just hit it and download TubeBuddy as an extension to your browser and see how the magic works. So all I can say right now is thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys are gonna get to use this tool. Good luck with growing your channels. Good luck with growing your YouTube viewers and growing your subscribers. Good luck with everything you guys are doing out there. God bless you all. Thank you for watching my videos. One love.